Let's find out how this look is created. This technique uses a two-light setup to create color separation between the subject and the background. One light strobe is fixed directly towards the subject, flooding them with the colored light. The second light is fixed to flood the backdrop with a different color. A V-flat is put up to flag this light from spilling onto the subject. Contrasting or complementary colors work best when choosing a color palette for this technique. Colors that have a striking difference between each other. These colors can be intensified in post-production for a more vibrant, bold look.